Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sparkle Baby. I am Adity and today I am going to share with you guys my makeup haul. This is going to be a very short mini makeup haul video, so I hope you will like it, and if you do then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing which I got in my haul is the APK 24-hour lasting long wear gel eyeliner, and this is how it looks. It has two colors inside. One is black and the other one is brown. It had other colors option as well, like blue and green. But with black, I thought of getting the brown one because it could be used as an eyebrow filler as well. So it could just multiply the purpose. I will also swatch it so you can have a better look. And if you want a detailed review of anything which I show in this video, you just have to comment below and I will be up with a review. So this is how the eyeliner looks from inside. It has APK 24-hour long wear gel eyeliner written over here. And it also comes with two brushes of its own, which is a really good thing because you don't have to buy brushes for it separately, and you can use both the gel eyeliners with different brushes and you will not end up mixing colors. So it is another good thing. So yeah, I will swatch both of the colors. So first I will be swatching the brown color and then I will move on with the black. So here is the brown. It is very pigmented and very smooth. And now moving with the black. Yeah, so this is the black one and it's jet black. It's super black, you guys. You have to try this eyeliner. So you see, both of them are richly pigmented and they are very beautiful. It also says it is smudge proof and waterproof, which if it is a good thing. And yes, the gel eyeliner costed me for 440 rupees. I don't know its original price. I got it in discount and they haven't written the MRP, so I'm really not sure, but of course you can get them in discount as well. So the second thing I got is this MAC pigment, and this is how it looks. This is obviously not original MAC and this is in the color golden and it looked very beautiful. I will just swatch it for you guys. I got this for 280 rupees. I already told you I don't know the original price because I got it discounted, so I'm really not sure. And it has this lift thing. So yes, this is how it looks. It is a beautiful golden color. Then I got this Malio waterproof black art liquid pen eyeliner, and this is how it looks. And I already have it and I really like it, so I just thought of getting another one. And it has a really fine point, if you can see. I really like it, so I will just swatch it here. It is again a very jet black eyeliner which gives very precise application. And yes, I got it for 200 rupees, which was its retail price. I remember it because I have got it previously, so I know that. Then I got the Swiss Beauty Makeup Primer Oil Free Mattifying Long Lasting Base, and this is how it looks. I will just open the packet to show to you guys. And this is how it looks from the inside. And it is a transparent primer. It has no colors in it. So this is the Swiss Beauty primer which costed me 315 rupees. And this packet right here contains all Lakme goodies. Lakme was currently on 20% discount even at stores, which was a really good thing for me because I am a Lakme digger, because I think their products are of really good quality and also they are affordable. So the first thing which comes in my hand is this Lakme Absolute Shine Line Liquid Eyeliner. I have already owned a black one from this. This one is liquid gold, in the shade liquid gold. And I thought it was a very stunning color, so I just got my hand on this. And I will swatch it over here. Again, that is a very stunning color. And yeah, that was the Lakme Absolute Shine Line. This retails for 450 rupees. Next, I got my trusted Lakme 9 to 5 Flawless Matte Complexion Compact, and this is how it looks. I got it again. I did not get the Primer Plus Matte one because I think this suits me better. I just like it very much. This is in the shade Melon. So yes, that was Lakme 9 to 5 Compact and retailed for 450 rupees. Then I picked up two Lakme 9 to 5 primer plus matte lipsticks. I already owned one in the shade caramel cut, but I don't know where did I lost it. So this time I got two, and this does not include caramel cut. So I got two shades. The first one is Rosy Mine and the second one is Rosy Sunday. And by the name you can say that both are pink. I just love pink colors, so I got pink lipsticks. So yes, I will just swatch them one by one. And this is how both of the color looks like. So I'm first swatching Rosy Mind. And this is how it looks. It's beautiful pink, rosy type of pink color. I will just layer it few times so that you can see the true color. And then this is Rosy Sunday. Yeah, so that is Rosy Sunday. It looks very similar to Lakme 9 to 5. Which shade was that? Just let me check. Red Kiosk. Yes, Red Kiosk. It looks very similar to Red Kiosk. It's just that I'm wearing Red Kiosk right now, and Red Kiosk looks a little bit pinker, and this one has a hint of brown in it as well. Yes, that was both the colors, and they retail for 480 rupees each. And the last product I got was the Moonlit Highlighter by Lakme. It retails for 725 rupees, and I already had the Sunkissed bronzer. So yes, I already had that. I got the Moonlit Highlighter this time, which looks like this. And the highlighter in this is very beautiful, like it's very natural. So I will just swatch both of them once for you guys. So I will just swatch it here. So yes, this is the highlighter. It is not so much overpowered with shimmer, which I like. I really don't like a lot of shimmery highlighter and bronzer. And this is the bronzer. It is very satin finish like bronzer, and yeah, it's here. So yes, that was Lakme Absolute Moonlit Highlighter, and it retails for 725 rupees if I haven't already told you guys. So yes, with that we complete the haul, and if you want to see a detailed review on any of the product, just comment below and I will be up with a review. So now I will take a leave from you guys, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.